percentage companies specific quotients. Now this is part 9. Already 8 parts are over. First you go through that. So 8 parts it is. Now this is company specific quotients. Question number 1. See the material. What is question number 1? If 20% of a number is 80, then find the number. In a number, 20% is given. So find the number. So you have to calculate the number. Number or original value or total value in percentage is always you consider 100%. 100% total or original value or total value means always you have to calculate 100% value. Now here what is given? 80% of number is given. Simply have to take 80% value, 20% value is given, 20% value is 80. We require the number. Number means 100% value you have to calculate. What is 100% value? So different methods are there. Different ways are there. I will explain all the methods. So 20% is 80. What about 100% value? Compare these two values, 20 and 80. 20 becomes 80 means into 4. So here into 4 means here also into 4. 100 into 4. What is 100 into 4? 400. So what is the number? 400 is the number. Or another method is also there. 20% is 80. What about 100%? Definitely more. More. So more by less. So more by less means 100 by 20. 100 by 20. More. More means 100. 100 by 20 into 80. 100 by 20 into 80. How much its value? 24. So it is cancel 80. 4 into 100 is 400 it is. Understood all of you? Another approach is also there. 20% of number is 80. Convert this sentence into mathematical equation. How can you convert this into mathematical equation? 20% means per 100, half means into, number means n, is means equal to 80. So 20 by 100 into n equal to 80. From that you have to calculate the value of n. So 21, 25 gets cancelled by taking 5 in this side into 5, 80 into 5. How much 80 into 5? 400 again. So number equal to 400. So there are different approaches. So based on the given data, you have to do any one of, you have to follow any one of these methods and try to find the answer. Now see question number 2. What is question number 2? In an election, 2 candidates participated in which the winner gets 60% of the total votes and wins the election by 2000 votes. Find the total number of votes polled in the election it is. So in an election, 2 candidates are participated. But what happens here? One person got 60% and he wins the election with 2000 votes it is. These are the clues given. First you have to analyze the data, what is given. So 2 candidates, one got 60% means automatically second person got 40%. So majority means the difference of votes it is. So suppose let it be one got 10,000, another got 12,000. What is the majority? 2,000. Difference. Here also take the difference. One got 60%, another got 40%. What is the difference? 20%. One got 60% means automatically second person got 40%. Total is 100%. What is the difference between 60 and 40? 20%. Difference is 20%. But in the votes, the difference is 2000. 20% value is 2000. If 20% value is 2000, immediately calculate 1% value by cancellation of zeros here. Okay, so 1% value be 100. What we require? Total number of votes we require. What are the total number of votes? Always you have to calculate 100% value. So what is the 100% value? 1% value is 100. What about 100% value? 100 into 100. Okay, what is 100 into 100? So 10,000. What is the total number of votes polled here? 10,000. Total number of votes polled is 10,000. Understood? Similarly, see the question number 3 here. In an election, two candidates participated again. 20% of the votes declared as invalid here. And the winner gets 70% of the valid votes and wins the election by 3,200 votes. Find the valid votes. So what are the total number of valid votes? That is how to calculate. So based on the given data again here, the two candidates are participating. One got 70% it is given. One got 70% means automatically the second person got 30%. Now here also majority is given 3,200. So already we know majority means difference of the votes it is. Now one got 70%, another got 30% means what is the difference? 40%. 40% value is 3,200. Okay, majority is 3,200. 40% value 3,200. What about 1% value? Okay, 1% value. 0 gets cancelled. 480 gets cancelled. So 1% value be 80. If 1% is 80, calculate 100% value. What is 100% value? 100 into 80. How much 100 into 80? 8,000. These are the valid votes it is. We require only valid votes here. The question is here only valid votes. So what is the total number of valid votes here? 8,000. Understood all of you? The remaining questions I will discuss in the next video. Thank you to all of you.